Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to create multiple prototypes in Figma. Organize your flows. Let's start by exploring a common challenge many designers and developers face when working in Figma: the need to create and organize multiple prototypes within a single project efficiently. This feature allows you to design separate user flows without the hassle of juggling multiple pages or duplicating your artboards. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of how to manage your project more effectively, test various user journeys, and enhance your overall workflow. To make this process clear and engaging, we'll use an example that is both simple and relatable: a basic login and register flow. This is a scenario that almost every designer has tackled at some point, making it ideal for showcasing how to manage multiple flows without unnecessary complexity. Let's begin by preparing a basic component. For this tutorial, I've set up a simple login box that includes a couple of fields and buttons. If you're following along and don't have something similar ready, don't worry. You can use any basic layout to mimic this process. Once you have your basic component ready, the next step is to duplicate it. In Figma, you can simply copy your login box and move it outside of the current frame. It might feel a bit unusual at first, but dragging elements outside the frame is an excellent way to keep different states or steps distinct and organized. After duplicating the component, let's transform it into a register box. This involves changing the title to register and adjusting the fields or buttons as needed. You might want to add an extra field if your registration process requires more information than the login. Think of this step like changing costumes for a performance. Your box remains the same, but now it's ready for a different role. Now that our register box is ready, it's time to take our design a step further by creating a second frame. Frames in Figma function like scenes in a storyboard, each holding a unique part of the user's journey. In this new frame, we'll design a simple register success pop-up. Imagine what a user would see after successfully signing up, perhaps a friendly check mark, a welcome message, or a simple confirmation. The aim is to depict a new layer or result post-registration. With our UI elements set, it's time for the fun part: adding interactions to turn this design into a functioning prototype. Head over to the Prototype tab in Figma. Here, we'll begin connecting the pieces and defining the flow. Start by linking the login box to the register box, allowing users to move between them effortlessly. Grab the interaction node from the login box, the little circle you see, and drag it over to the register box. For the interaction, choose On Tap. This means the flow will be triggered when someone clicks or taps the button. Set the action to Navigate to and select the register frame or area. For animation, pick Instant to ensure there's no delay, giving a seamless, tab-like experience. Next, connect the register box to the register success frame. Again, grab the interaction node and drag it to the register success frame. For this interaction, set it as On Tap, since we want the success message to appear after clicking register. Instead of navigating, choose Open Overlay. Overlays work perfectly for success messages, dialogues, or tooltips, anything that pops up as a layer over the current view. Set the animation to Ease Out for a smooth, friendly transition and adjust the duration to 500 milliseconds. This provides a balanced effect, neither too fast nor too slow. Once all your flows are linked, preview everything by clicking the play icon in Figma to open the prototype viewer. Navigate through the steps, tapping between login and register, and test the registration process to ensure the success message appears as expected. Remember, prototyping can require some trial and error to perfect the connections, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries. And there you have it. You've successfully set up two distinct flows, login and register, on a single Figma page. As your project expands, you can easily incorporate additional flows. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave any questions or requests for more prototyping tips in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create multiple prototypes in Figma, organize your flows, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.